Excited for our YouTube channel, Greg? Huh? No, you should throw that away. You should throw that away. What's up, everybody? Welcome to our first car that we're going to build on this channel. This is a 1997 BMW M3. We have gas in it. We just put a new battery in it. Let's start it up. Let's move it to the middle of the driveway. Wow, this thing just started, man. No problems. Woo! No questions asked. So since this car has been sitting for so long, we have to change the fuel filter, clean the injectors. You having fun? You having fun?
Just testing it out.
Oh, okay.
Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore.
I see.
S52 with the S50 intake manifold on it. Has a Garrett GT35R turbo on it. Had 42-pound Ford racing injectors on there. I got the 3.5-inch Porsche 993 MOF sensor. I got the 3-inch exhaust going all the way out, custom.
So the main goals for this car is to get it running right and actually driving it, because it's been sitting for so long.
Once we know it's getting good fuel, maybe we can drive it around a bit and see if anything else is maybe leaking, or if we have any boost leaks or anything like that.
So about 2 years into owning this car, we took the engine out and pretty much built the motor as you see it here. We put the APR studs in it and did all those modifications.
It has a racing clutch on it.
Alright, so moving on to the interior, we have a pretty stock interior. The only thing that's changed in here is the really nice Recaro seats. That's pretty much the only addition to the interior. We have a couple gauges up here in the middle. Oil pressure, fuel pressure, boost. Other than that, the interior...
M5 steering wheel.
Oh yeah, you do have an M5 steering wheel.
Yeah, with the button.
We have the M5 steering wheel as well. Other than that, the interior is pretty stock.
Yeah, with your door cards that constantly fall off every year or so. Getting loose again. It's gonna need a little servicing.
Everybody that has a an E36 M3 knows about that stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, so me and Greg are going to clean up the car and we're going to roll into the garage now.
escalated quickly.
Alright everybody, thanks for watching our channel. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe and follow us through our journey building our beautiful M3 background.